Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are out in the warehouse and we are going to talk about product 580037. Now, I know that doesn't sound exciting, but these are actually color lit bubbles. Very, very cool in your swimming pool. What they do is they go in the shallow part of your pool, typically 1 to 2 feet deep, like a Baja step. They shoot up a jet of water. They cause basically like a bubbler. And then they also have color inside. So you get all the cool colors with that. It's a Pentair item. We got lots of them in stock. These get installed during your construction process. Here's the Gunite fitting that goes in, gets plumbed in, and electric going to it. Your light gets thrown in here. Typically, it's a GloBrite or a microBrite going inside of here, color light, but this is just the fitting itself. And then you get a couple little accessories, different color ring options, depending on if you have pebble or plaster inside the swimming pool, some O-rings and different things. But we got lots of these in stock. 2710 West Bell Road, also ePoolSupply.com. We got a lot of them ready to ship out to you. Great product by Pentair. Really kind of a fun accessory in your pool. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.